smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Early morning. As we go out to the city, we get the last view of the fort, the castle. You get taken out through the back of the town, through all the high-rise living, old high-rise living. Quiet walk through the park, by the river. Coming up to this huge construction, which is almost like a modern gate to the village. A huge quite a fast-flowing river. The old power station is the museum. And we use pallets. Leaving the city. Supposed to walk on the path on the right, but there's no traffic. It's just beautiful. A Red Cross building. Cruz Roja. Go this way, it says. Through the buildings. Taking us through some very big houses. And now we get a tennis court and complex. Big towns mean roads. Roads mean underpasses. Cacao! Almost. A nice Camino sign. But what's beyond are all the hills. The church is protected because they've given the stork its own little platform. It's not hidden away, it's just sitting right there. Okay, just resting on a light. There's everything in that shot. A mural, a small church, and a stork. It's all working as expected. It's settled into a bit of a road walk between farm buildings. We've had a succession of this style of sign. It's quite nice. Holding a staff, pointing the way. These little manual sluices pushing the water. I think we're going west. Just a feeling. Leaving this lovely little village to walk to the next village. Stork spotting part 406. Look at those little ones. Quite a large, wide bridge over this dual carriageway. They clearly do more than just a few walkers. Well, that answers my question why the bridge has to be big. So we come out the back of the town and then it takes us back into the hills again. But we're on hard tracks. We've been on road, haven't had really anything off-road for the first 10k. Many more vines, but these tend to be goblet-shaped bushes rather than on wires. Good morning, day 24. So today we are taking one of the alternate routes to go through a place called Pereje, where we have effectively an Airbnb. We've booked 3 or 4 days ahead. It is getting a little bit more difficult to book things, but we'll find stuff. Yesterday was probably my favourite day so far. A really good day. And today we're back into sort of valleys and vines and going through village after village. So yeah, it's really good. I was looking for a sign, visual sign saying 200 kilometres to go, but I don't think that's quite the vibe that they want to push out, so they haven't really on the trail got something like that. But we've got less than 200 kilometres to go now, so that's to Santiago, and after that we're probably going to go to Finisterre anyway. But it's a beautiful day today. It is due to get very hot. There have been a lot of warnings out about exerting yourself in hot weather. We had a good stay last night in our own private room. That was really nice. But let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Some things are made to be spooky. Look at these trees and the water. Which is the favourite side? Don't often see thatch. There's a lovely thatch roof in this property. These look like little crab apples. Coming down into the next village, the water tap in the rest area at the top of the hill didn't work. Nothing came out, so let's hope there's something in the town, which there normally is. An old PCT hang from finding only the odd first story that overhangs. This whole street is overhanging houses.
Are we on the trail still? Yeah. This was the one that was advertised and talked about. This particular one. Let's do it. But it depends a bit on the English.
This is the house I want. Water coming through your base of your house. Look at that. And another church with its nests. It's quite expected. You're taken through the old town, which is beautiful. It had the churches. And then you have to leave the town via the industrial area.
We'll talk about it when I see you.
This is what you get when you walk that you don't get if you drive. This is not a standard walk, this is a detour, but what a detour. This is what you want to see. There it is again. As always on these buildings, if you look closely, you'll find a stalk. This is a city that uses dancing ladies to hide their bins. There's Walt. He's taking his pictures, checking. Do I need to take a third? No, Walt, two's enough. And we leave Villafranca by this wonderful bridge. What a fantastic place Villafranca is. That must be the upper river, going down to the lower river. Just 3 kilometers of pavement left today, and then we'll be done. Motorway flyover. Concrete reflects heat. A long, hot 4K to get to Pereje. We go under the motorway, a small side road into the village. This is Pereje. There's not much here. I haven't seen a bar. Although this, with all the pots outside, looks like it's something. I can see a couple of people further ahead. Who knows?
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.